Welcome to Alkavida. I'm going to show you how to install your Alka Shower. First, you're going to take this out of the box. Our Alka Shower is certified by the WQA, the Water Quality Association. When you take the Alka Shower out of your box, you're going to see a red plug. This you must take out. First, we're going to deinstall your already existing shower head. But we need to twist off the shower. Hold on very tight your pliers and twist clockwise. Put your pliers down and untwist. Now that you've taken the plug out, you're going to align your shower with your existing shower head hole. You're going to twist this clockwise until it's very tight from the shower arm. Make sure that you've twisted to its maximum capacity so there is no leaks when you turn on your shower. Now you're ready to feel the difference with your new soft skin using your Alka Shower.